Hello guys.
Okay guys, now we will in the Museum Taruna Abdul Jalil that located in Military Academy of Magelang.
So in here I'm Irfan Ardiansa and this
I Yusuf Abisandasa from station number 34.
and I'm Muhammad Alvin Magoten from student number 22.
I'm Pujustira Dharmacaraka from number presence 35.
Hello guys, you are in the Museum Taruna in the Magelang. So this museum is still related with the Magelang Military Academy. That the Magelang Military Academy is one of the oldest military educational institutions in Indonesia that plays an important role in producing TNI officer. Established since the early days of independence, the military academy has produced thousands of officers who play a role in maintaining and safeguarding and security of the country. One of the places that store various historical records of the military journey is in the Taruna Abdul Jalil Museum.
So as you can see here, there is equipment military from the Koptar Moksode. Next of it, there is a uniform from the cadets of the AMN. Okay, so Magelang was chosen as the location of the National Military Academy due to very rational reasons, namely the availability of 35 hectares of land owned by the Indonesian Army, so that the government does not need to spend funds on provide land. In addition, the existing geographical condition could add strategic our next generation. Moreover, Mount Idar has the important role in the Ambarawa battlefield, which should be an inspiration for the cadets of the military academy. Finally, the proximity to Universitas Gadjah Mada will make it easier to get lectures to teach the military academy.
I will explain a history of Akabri. Lieutenant General Gatot Subroto was the initial initiator of the establishment of the Indonesian Armed Force Academy, which was first proposed in 1957. This idea began with concerns over the development of the Army, Navy, and Air Force, which strengthened in the integrity and solidity of the Indonesian Armed Force. On June 6, 1965, President Sukarno ordered the integration of all military academies under one educational institution without waiving to eliminate the one unique questions of its dimension.
So as you can see here, there is teaching supplies that used in Academy Militer. There is plotting board, curve meter, topography map,
Promo kali
page,
ini,
etc.
pada tahun kedua di Akademi Militer, para makanan dan minuman untuk bertahan dengan kekuatan terbatas. Ternyata harus menguasai pengetahuan tentang suhu makanan dan minuman di alam bebas. Makanan bisa didapatkan dari berburu hewan liar atau memetik tanaman.
So this is the picture of the governor of the Academy Militer in Magelang. Let's start from the Mayor Jenderal Untung Sri Tati, and now the last is Srihada Wisnu Graha.
On June 14, 1984, Lieutenant General Marchito, as the Commander General of Agabri, handed off the status and authority of the Army Agabri to the Chief of Staff of the Army, General Rutin. Then changed the name from the Army Agabri to the Military Academy.
Okay, so in this room, as you can see, there is many of guns that used by the former soldiers like Siswanto, Kusmayadi, Rai Sutrisno, M. Panggabean, Prabowo Subianto, Faisal Tanjung, Endrianto Sutarto, and Ria Mizard Riakudu.
So here is a Hugh cannon that have a caliber 8.2 mm and made by Uni Soviet in that year. So here is Mount cannon that have 76 mm caliber that made by Russian. So here is heavy machine gun and then flamethrower in here.
But try to play it cool, baby. I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Messing around acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool, baby. I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Messing around acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool, baby. I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Messing around acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool, baby. I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood?
So in this museum, you can also find a facility like musola or toilet here.
Why you always in the mood? Messing around acting brand new.
So in this museum, you can also find a canteen if you want to eat something, and a place that sold many of merchandise from the Academy Militer of Magelang.
But try to play it cool.
So this is the last part of the museum. In here is the graduated cadets of Military Academy General.
Play it cool, baby. I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Messing around acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool, baby. I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Messing around acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool, baby. I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a
So in here, you can also find a facility that used to take a photo as a photo booth. Then you should add your email to send it to your email. So in here you can also find a theater that used to play the video of Academy Militer of Magelang.
So that's more trip. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.